Hello, hi and welcome to Tech Lab YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you another video how to install in VMware virtual machine. I'm going to install Windows Server 2022. I'm going to open the virtual machine. The version which I'm using right now, you can see the 10.0.1. okay. The basic settings going to configure in VMware workstation. I'm going to create a new virtual machine. Okay, click on that and I'm going to select typical mode and click next and select disk image file ISO. So I have the ISO file already in the E drive, already I copied. Okay, so this ISO file I'm going to select and then click next and select Microsoft Windows, and the version is by default, there is no 2022, so click next. So here you can enter the version, the Windows Server 2022, and this is the location where you want to install the files. So by default, the documents, there is a virtual machine automatically create one folder while install the virtual machine in your system. Okay, I'm going to select the by default location and click OK. If you want change the directory, anywhere you can install. Next, and the disk size you can specify here. By default I'm entering 60 gigabyte. Okay, and select split virtual disk into multiple files. Okay, and click next. The customize your hardware, and in this case I'm going to increase the RAM 4 GB. Go to the display settings. This is auto dictate. I'm going to select accelerate 3D graphics. After the installation also you can select your display size and graphics, and now I'm going to choose the specified monitor setting. Scroll down to select 1920 1080, close. Then after customize your hardware, I'm gonna click finish and click on the power on this virtual machine. Now the Windows is going to start loading files. Here you have to select the language. By default I select the English, and time and currency format English, and the keyboard input settings I'm selecting the US and click next and install. And now the setup is going to start, and the operating system I'm going to select data center evaluation desktop experience. Okay, I'm gonna select the fourth one and click next and accept the terms and conditions and click next and customize the install Windows Server operating system. I'm going to select, and by default I'm continuing this 60 gigabyte and click OK and next. And now copying Microsoft files, so wait until the installation complete. And enter the password. Going to enter the password. Yeah, finally the Windows Server machine is installed complete. Let's log in first. Yes, we have successfully installed the VMware inside the Windows Server 2022. And I'm going to install the Active Directory users and computers. First I'm going to change the computer name. Let's open the File Explorer and right click this PC and Properties and go to the Advanced System Settings and select computer name and change the computer name. I'm going to enter the computer name master and the restart required. Let me restart first. And I'm going to assign the IP address of the Windows Server machine and open the run command and type ncpa.cpl and right click properties and assign the IP address 192.168.60.191 and default gateway I'm not setting up. This is enough and click OK and click OK. And now the second step, I'm going to install the add roles and features. Going to install the Active Directory services and click next and role based features based installation and next. By default selected master, the computer name. I'm going to select next and here you have to select Active Directory domain services and select. These are the features going to by default select and click add features and second DHCP server, select add features again, then select DNS server and continue. Alright, then click next and click next and next, and later if you want add your default gateway you can. In my case I'm going to continue like this and click next and restart the destination server automatically if required. Okay, then select yes and install. And now the installation has been completed. I'm going to close this. After the installation you will get the notification bar on the top side. The next step, we need to configure the domain. You have to select the promote this server to a domain controller. I'm going to click that and I'm going to select add a new forest. The brand new name I'm going to enter. In my case I'm going to enter techglobe.local and click next. Enter on the top side you can see the functional level. You want to select from Windows Server 2008 to the 2016 the domain functional level. If you want you can choose. I'm going to leave like this and enter the strong password. Okay, click next and next again and click next, and this is your database folder located to the C drive Windows NTDS and the log file folder and sysvolume folder. Okay, by default the location I'm not going to change. You click next and next. These are the selections you have done. Okay, I'm going to click next, install. Please wait until the installation complete. Now the installation has been completed. The system going to restarting. Now you can see the domain name is visible here. I'm gonna enter the credential. After the installation, let's open the server manager and open the tools section. Here you will see the Active Directory users and computers. I'm going to open that. This is the techlab.local domain name, and these are the groups, and currently not joined any computer is the domain controller. And now we have installed the Microsoft Windows Server 2022 and creating the Active Directory users and computers. If you like this video, please considering subscription to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.